Today we will discuss the different calculators given by Azure to calculate the cost. When we want to deploy some applications, we need to get some resources, and these resources cost money. So we want to know how much it will cost us to deploy our application on Azure environment. Also, we want to know if we are going to install the same application on our premises, what is the price? How much it will cost us to install the application, run application in our environment. So pricing calculator, it's an online calculator given by Microsoft. So using pricing calculator, we can get the estimated cost of the resources. So when we are deploying application, we may need virtual machines, we may need storage places, databases, networking, associated networking charges. So using pricing calculator, we can calculate what is the estimated cost of deploying application on the Azure so that we can sell these decisions to our management, to our financing department. We can get the budget allocation to deploy our application. We can get the buy-in. So a lot of companies, they prefer to install application on premises. So we can use this calculator to find out what is the cost of deploying, what are the savings to deploy applications on Azure. Lately we'll see that. So total cost of ownership calculator is cost for deploying and running applications on your premises. This is also online calculator which shows you what is the price of your ownership after 5 years. We'll have a hands-on exercise where we'll see. We'll create some setup and we'll see how much it costs us after 5 years deploying application on premises. So here's our pricing calculator. There are four tabs. Products tab. On the products tab, we will select the resources which we need. On same tabs, we have example scenarios, saved estimates. Example scenarios is templates. So let's select it virtual machine. Now we'll select a database to calculate the price because we need, and also we'll select a application gateway. So we have selected three resource types, virtual machines. So virtual machines need some operating system, and let's keep Windows. And how many instances is that? We'll keep it all. So let's increase our virtual machine to, we'll need two virtual machines, and the monthly price is 274.48 cents per month. Let's change the operating system to Linux. Linux is free. There are no license fees. We can see when we move to Linux, the price has gone down. So let's go to Azure databases. The purchase model will say vCore. We'll keep everything same, and 8 core will change to 8 core, and we can see the price is 1472 per month, and we'll keep other values as default right now. So you can change other values. And application gateway, let's say we need two instances, and data processed is 1 GB, and we can see the price is $36.51. So the total price of deploying our application is 1,788.52. So that was the pricing calculator. We can get the total cost. We can see each individual item on the top, what we have selected, and this is the total cost of deploying our application on Azure environment. So we'll now run an exercise on total cost of ownership calculator. Total cost of ownership calculator, as we discussed, calculate the cost of deploying the application on premises. So we will need Windows servers. Let's say we need Windows, and let's say what we'll be using virtual machines. We'll be using 50 virtual machines. Uh, let's have Linux machines also on our environment. So 50 servers, and we'll keep it 50 servers right now. Database is Windows Data Center. Let's keep 2 servers, one for backup, and RAM. Let's increase to 100 GB. We want a strong database, and also we need storage. Let me fix the name. Change to local storage, and the capacity we need is 60 terabyte. Backup 120 terabyte, and let's archive the data also 100 terabyte. Networking will keep America, and this is the second screen. Here you can enter what is the electricity cost of deploying the application. We need electricity to run our servers. What's the cost in America? We'll keep these values in default. So what is the labor cost? How much? What is the hourly rate for IT administrator? Again, we'll keep the default. So next, it gives the price. Here we get our price. So on Azure, we can see the price is 1 million, 1.2 million. Whereas if we deploy on the premises, the price is more than 2 million. It's because when we are deploying on the premises, there's a lot of capital cost. What is capital cost? Capital cost is when we buy hardwares, when we buy software, we have to pay for the licenses upfront. So if we are starting a new business, that could be a lot of price. So using this renting model, we can bring out the cost of ownership. So this is a great calculator. So friends, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also watch my other videos and connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn. If you like small summaries of the video, I will be posting a lot of small summaries of the videos on LinkedIn. Thanks again.